Welcome to this technical guide on the Enovo Yoga 730. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Enovo Yoga 730 isn't charging properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a faulty charging port or a damaged battery. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making your device unusable. Let's dive into the repair process. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Enovo Yoga 730. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, using the plastic opening tool, carefully insert it into the gap between the back cover and the device frame. Gently pry the cover away, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the internal components. The charging port is located near the bottom of the device. Check if there are any visible signs of damage or debris. If you notice any issues, you'll need to proceed with the replacement. To do this, locate the screws securing the charging port and remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious with the force applied, as excessive pressure can strip the screws. Gently lift the charging port away from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect any cables that were detached during the process. Before closing the device, double-check that everything is firmly connected and that there are no loose components. To reassemble, carefully align the back cover with the device and press down until it clicks into place. Ensure all clips are secured. Now, plug in your charger and check if the device charges correctly. If you experience any issues, double-check your connections and components. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure you use the correct charger for your Enovo Yoga 730 and avoid overloading the charging port with excessive force when plugging in. Regularly inspect the charging port for debris and clean it gently if needed. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.